If you're not using AI at work right now, you're already falling behind. While you're sending emails the old way, someone else just got promoted for automating half their job with a chatbot. Sounds wild? It's already happening. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, they're not just tech buzzwords, they're replacing tasks and people who don't keep up. But here's the truth no one is telling you. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to learn how to talk to AI. Literally, that's it. Think of it like talking to a very smart assistant who can't read your mind unless you tell it exactly what you need. Let's start with something called the golden rule of prompting. It's simple. Would a random coworker understand this request? If not, the AI won't either. The best prompts include 4 key things. 1, who you are, your role. 2, what you need, the task. 3, any context, background or goals. 4, what it should look like, the format. Don't just say, write about quantum computing. Say, I have a physics background, but no quantum experience. I'm interviewing at a startup. Help me sound smart on the basics. Boom. Now the AI gives you what you actually need. It's not about tricking it, it's about treating it like a teammate. Here's where most people screw up. They give AI one prompt, don't like the answer, and then quit. Don't. This isn't Google, it's a conversation. You wouldn't walk out on a meeting just because someone misunderstood your first sentence. You'd explain, you'd follow up. Do the same with AI. You can literally say, hey, you skipped 2 cities in the list, and it will go, oh, my bad, let me fix that. This is interactive. It's not a magic lamp, it's a collaborative tool. AI isn't your genie, it's your intern. Train it well, and it works miracles. Ignore it, and it serves you chaos on a silver platter. Most people think ChatGPT is just chat. Wrong. You can upload documents, pictures, spreadsheets, and it analyzes them. It can even create charts, slideshows, and images. One woman took a photo of her fridge and got 10 recipes from Claude. Another guy used AI to fix his code while baking a cake with flour on his hands. You're not limited to typing anymore. Use voice, use uploads, use screen sharing. This is sci-fi level stuff, and it's real right now. Here's the biggest lie. Prompting is complicated. It's not. You already know how to do it. If you can explain a task to a coworker, you can prompt AI. Stuck? Just ask the AI, how can I write better prompts for you? Yes, seriously, it can teach you how to use it. Look, here's the bottom line. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. If you're not experimenting, learning, and playing with these tools, you're putting yourself at risk in the workplace. But the good news, you can start today. Use your own words, be curious, mess up, try again.